Hey everyone, welcome to the Neo News Today Week in Review, your one-stop shop for everything that happened in the Neo ecosystem over the past week. As always, if you appreciate what you are seeing, don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button and to follow our YouTube feed. I also want to apologize for not releasing a video last week. I was away from the studio and in Hong Kong for the Neo Era APAC Hackathon Grand Finale and Neo Community Assembly. Looking forward to chatting more about that next. So let's get this week started. The Neo Community Assembly took place after the Neo Era APAC Hackathon Grand Finale, of which coverage can be found on neonewstoday.com. The Community Assembly was a gathering of 30 plus members from the broad and diverse global community of contributors to the Neo blockchain ecosystem. The individuals in attendance represented developers, creators, and builders from across the globe. The event took place on October 29th and 30th at Le Méridien Hotel at Cyberport, which is Hong Kong's government-founded and funded business industrial park dedicated to technology and the growing Web3 ecosystem. As a part of the NCA, various different community members came together to talk about the most pressing issues in the Neo ecosystem today. The various different types of discussions included those focused on things like stablecoins and the developer experience, to onboarding new dApps and core infrastructure in the Neo ecosystem. Following the event, many of us walked out of that room feeling very invigorated and having a good idea of which areas we would like to double down and focus on as we move forward in the Neo ecosystem. Another topic of discussion was the Neo EVM sidechain that was slowly rolled out during the APAC Hackathon gas station stops, and then officially announced by Neo co-founder Dahong Fei in his keynote speech at the Neo Era Grand Finale. The EVM sidechain is designed to meet Web3 users where they're at, and also to innovate in the blockchain ecosystem by providing an MEV-resistant chain for retail traders to benefit when accessing DeFi protocols. And in addition to the announcement of the sidechain and the Neo Community Assembly, Neo also announced last week that they're hosting a naming campaign for the new sidechain, with the top participants splitting rewards from a pool equivalent to $20,000. Good luck to all the Neo Knights as they try to name the new sidechain. The Hardened platform, which is of course a future cross-chain NFT fusion platform, has announced a new meme campaign called #meme2meme, in which winners and participants of the campaign will be distributed B tokens ahead of the launch of the platform. The campaign is currently ongoing, and interested users can register in the official Hardened Discord server. Anyone is welcome to participate, and the meme campaign will be running through Christmas Day. The latest Neo Gleam trivia campaign is currently live and running through November 9th. Users will have a chance to participate in a 10 out of 10 multiple choice style quiz where they can earn one of 5 Neoverse blind boxes. Head over to the official Neo Twitter account to find a link to the ongoing Gleam campaign. The Supernova MMORPG has released a link to an alpha version of its game on Epic Games. This version will allow players to purchase characters and spaceships with LFC tokens. Currently, the game mostly supports Binance Smart Chain. For example, LFC tokens are accessible on that chain, but the team plans to incorporate more functionality for Neo, Polygon, and Ethereum. Head over to the Epic Games portal to check out Supernova. Neo News Today released episode 49 of the Smart Economy podcast featuring Michael O'Rourke, the co-founder of Pocket Network and CEO of Grove. Topics of discussion included how decentralized infrastructures empower both users and companies, the intricacies of Grove infrastructure and RPC nodes, as well as the need for decentralized systems to differentiate supply and demand. We also discussed enabling businesses to operate beyond any single nation-state's jurisdiction, the implications and potential impact of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, Michael's background with Bitcoin, and how Ethereum smart contracts influenced his views on scalable, decentralized infrastructure. Head over to smarteconomypodcast.com to check out the latest episode. And that just about wraps up everything that happened in our short but sweet week in the NEO ecosystem. As always, if you appreciate what you're seeing, don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button and to follow our YouTube feed. And if you're a NEO token holder, please consider voting for NEO News today as your council representative. We've proudly been serving the NEO ecosystem since 2017, and we'll continue to use portions of our council income to invest directly back into ecosystem growth initiatives. With all that said, we look forward to catching you next week.